so hard to keep the families fed. But amongst the darkness, a ray of light. A bread cartel's gonna put up a fight. They have got a solution. They wanna start a white bread revolution. Who will win? Let the story begin. Oh yeah.
Some quality shit, they say. Meet me at the usual drop-off point tonight at midnight.
As Supreme Leader of this country, we have gathered some surveillance on the cartel. There are reports of early morning aromas. We believe the cartel has started baking again.
We need to stop them.
Recently, we have sent an agent out to work with them. Agent 666, could you provide some intel?
I have arranged to meet them tonight. They have a large amount of flour. Enough for 48 loaves.
This bread is our highest priority. We need to resolve this ASAP.
Infiltrate the cartel. Find out where they are getting their flour, and we'll break them down from the inside.
Heard you guys got some more of that product, eh?
More? Who do you think we are?
Word on the street is you guys have that pure self-raising flour.
Oh yeah? Where'd you hear that?
I've been talking to the cartel members in Shin Park, G. Straight up.
Yeah, nah, I could probably hook that up, bro.
Straight up, G.
This is SBI, but this guy wants to be cartel.
Hold on a minute, I think something's wrong. I think you're a traitor from the government.
Oh, really?
I think you are working as a spy.
Oh, really?
I think you're about to get some punishment.
Oh, really?
I think you're a spy, and I think the spy should die.
I think it was that.
Oh, really?
It's something about the bread.
Oh, really?
I think he's trying to lie, and now he's gotta die. Stop, hold on. Why?
He could be useful to us.
But he's a mole, he's gonna die.
Wait! Would a mole taste the product?
Eat the bread.
Remember, Agent, this bread, the flour that was used to produce it, it's contracted a rare biotoxin. This biotoxin is lethal to anyone who eats it. Whatever you do not consume the bread. It's for the good of the people. We are removing bread from our society.
It is our duty as a government to make sure that this bread is no longer in circulation.
Agent, do you concur?
Loud and clear.
Arriba, señorita! We are one over the government wall!
surprise. Who would have believed that those government guys for once weren't feeding us a pile of lies? And so, the moral of this tale, conform and listen, you can't fail. And so the cartel wound up dead for dodgy deals with toxic bread. Bacon bad.